Hey everyone, so I found this the other day. It's the black Jamaican Castor Oil Shampoo from the OK brand. It focuses on moisture and growth, and it also has argan oil in it. So I thought this would be nice to give a try. I did find it for $5.99 at my local Ross's. It says add shine, repairs hair damage, some of the things on the back that it claims to do. So let's get started to see how my hair liked this product. So before I started, this is what my hair is looking like right here. It's definitely time for wash day. My hair had been gelled up with a bun. So here are the ingredients right here. If you'd like to pause the video just to see what ingredients are in it. It does have a little bit of protein. Here is what it looks like. It's like yellowish. It's a little runny. It's very loose. It's not thick at all. But to me, that helps to spread the product. Sometimes when I use shampoos that are really thick, it's harder to spread them. But this one that's one thing that I do like about it, is that it's very easy to come out of the bottle as well as disperse all over my entire head. Now, as you can see right here, I wanted to slow it down for just a second, where you can see the amount of suds that it does produce. It produced a pretty good amount of suds. And since I had like so much buildup in my hair from the gel, I actually washed my hair twice. And I'm just showing you guys the sink, showing you that it had a lot of suds in it. Now right here, I'm just showing you guys my scalp to show you that it did a pretty good job of removing all of the flakes and the buildup, all the dirt and grime. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair a little bit so I can get ready to blow dry it. I did skip conditioning because I always don't have time to condition my hair, but I am gonna make sure to leave some to put some leave-in conditioner as well as heat protectant on my hair before I blow dry. This is my hair after air drying. This is my hair right here after blow drying. The only thing I didn't like about this product was the smell, but other than that, I felt like it did great. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.